Hello everyone, this is masumjia here. So now we will see how to set up Pinterest conversion API once someone submit an actual form or do a conversion for us. So let's get to that. So you need to set up the GTM browser and server container both, which you already did on our videos. So I'll maybe somehow link the video link on the video so that you can just find the video how to integrate the GTM server and browser container with step and use the setup conversion API. Now it's my server container of GTM. I'll create new discover more. So I'll search for Pinterest. You see, by Pinterest, it is the thing we want to add. Okay, advertiser ID. The shortcut way to get the advertiser ID is from the URL. I do it all the time. You can do it also. We need the API access token key. Okay, generate new token. Copy. Come here and set this up. So now inherit from client. So okay, there is one more part which we should do first. So come to browser GTM, means web GTM type. This is our GTM from browser or web, and this is server type, okay, which you already created, you can see on the video. So from our web container we need to create a event to send there. How you should do it, like click on new analytics for this, and measurement ID, you need the measurement ID. So I may need to grab it from somewhere. Give me a few seconds, I forgot. Okay, copy new analytics event, enter the ID and then the event name, Pinterest lead. So copy this and trigger it when someone is visiting my thank you page. Edit URL is this. I need to create the trigger as well. Plus story change, URL this save Pinterest CAPI, save. Now you need that event, okay, copy and hit it save. Now publish that change. Now what we need to do is, we created that event on our browser container, that GA4 will send the event to our server container. Now what we need to do is click on trigger plus trigger configuration, custom event is this, which we are sending from our GA4 event. Hit it save. Okay, submit, publish, skip. Now you need to submit their changes also. Whenever you do any change at your GTM containers, you need to publish those changes, okay. So I need to go to workspace, this workspace as well. So give it a preview. Okay, now give the server a preview. Okay, our preview is trying to be on. So here we are. Now try to submit the form what we have already have on the website. Just fill all the information, okay. I can't make it faster, the form is little bit with like a lot of steps are included on that form. Okay, so come here. Once our history changed, our Pinterest lead, that tag has been fired and it is sending an event called Pinterest lead. You see that has been fired and it is sent to Pinterest, and it is showing fired, but it is the status is failed. The reason behind this, you should click on here and you see the message saying event id is required property. Okay, so what I can do is we need to create that event id from that browser site and add it to our server side as well, then it will be fired. So let me do the troubleshoot with you. This is the one. Okay, this is the one. I need to add the event id. We already created the event id, so check out our the previous videos. Submit, publish. Now that we did the changes, let me submit the form again. Submitted the form again, and this time we have sent the data, right? So what I would do is I would go to my server container, and this is the lead. You see, this time it succeeds. The reason behind this, we need to send the event id. With this it is showing. So let me show you. You see, event name, Pinterest lead, and event time. That is the event id we needed to send. That's why it was previously failed, and that's how we do integrate our Pinterest API with the perspective funnel. And we should integrate our Pinterest API, you know, that gives us the highest quality of data and more accuracy this time, cause nowadays browsers are blocking third-party cookies and other things. We should implement this. So that's it for now. See you on the next video.